Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the sump to water inlet hose in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a Torx 20 screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new sump to water inlet hose. The sump to water inlet hose, as you can probably guess from its name, connects the sump to the water inlet. The sump to water inlet hose may crack, causing a water leak, and must be replaced if that happens. And another possible scenario. Imagine on a hot summer afternoon, your dishwasher has been visited by neighboring mice and rats in a quest for water. The hose would be cut open and their thirst quenched. As soon as the dishwasher is turned on, you will have a flood. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take the two screws on the sides of the base panel out. Remove the base panel. Open the door. Using the Torx 20 screwdriver, take out the 6 screws on the sides that hold the outer door. Close the door and pull the outer panel down and out to remove it. Take the 2 Torx 20 screws out. Free the plastic bracket and remove the inner access panel. Release the hose from the retainer. Place a towel under the sump port. Prepare to catch some water. Pull out the old hose from the sump and then from the water inlet. This is the old sump to water inlet hose next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Push the new hose into the water inlet and then into the sump ports as far as it can go. Clip the hose under the retainer. Close the safety cap on a drain pump. Install the inner access panel and the plastic bracket, and then secure it with the 2 Torx 20 screws. Install the door panel. Secured with the 6 Torx 20 screws on the sides. Install the base panel and secure it with the 2 Phillips screws. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.